The 2008 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual front airbags, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, cruise control, keyless entry, automatic stability control, MP3 capability, clock, power windows, power moonroof, tachometer, dual zone climate control, power driver mirror, power seat, towing package, vanity mirrors, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.